So this is the other 7. It's got to go away because it's really expensive to store.
Truthfully, I just want to build it.
Okay, do you want to pay to store it? Because I don't. Honestly, there are some things I would do differently.
Yeah.
But basically, we're going to cut it up. Sorry, what?
I remembered the grinder and earmuffs, but not safety splints.
Good luck. And she fit. I want to take a moment to talk about what's going on in this video. The chassis that you see being cut up is a Haynes Roadster chassis. I had ordered the GBS Zero and decided that as a side project I wanted to build a Roadster, a Haynes Roadster, just to have the experience of saying I've built a chassis from the ground up myself. As it turns out, the GBS arrived before the Haynes was finished, so I packed up the Haynes, stuffed it into storage, and then built up the GBS, which is what I've been running around in now. And I really, really like the GBS. It's a lot of fun. I enjoy driving it. It is the current project. The Haynes, on the other hand, has been in storage for 3 years at this point. When I started to store it, it was like $100 a month, and I thought, well, maybe I'll get around to it. But truth is, I haven't gotten around to it, and I'm not going to get around to it. So the chassis just needs to go away. Yeah, at the moment, it costs $3 grand a year to store it. I can build another one of those chassis for a lot less than $3 grand. So economically, it makes no sense to store this thing. The plan is to cut the chassis up and recycle it. I don't feel comfortable selling that on to somebody else. They're going to be inheriting my designs, my choices, and having to deal with a lot of that stuff. And I don't think that's fair to put onto somebody else. The fiberglass body, it's an Equinox body. I bought it from MK Indy a long time ago. I'm going to keep that around. I may sell it, I may not. That's a perfectly good and serviceable body. Will I get around to building another Roadster? Probably, maybe, when I have time, when I have more space. I'm really space constrained in my condominium. I have a 2-car garage and 6 cars. I don't have enough space to work on another project like that at the moment.